Pero kami naliligayahan sapagkat ang ganap na ito ay nagising ang damdamin ng mga Pilipino.
Hindi kami bayan! 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 May pera kami! Hindi kami bayan! May pera kami!
May dollar kami!
Mga Pilipinas, naririnig mo ba sila?
Hindi kami bayan! May pera kami! Hindi kami bayan! May pera kami! Hindi kami bayan! May pera kami!
Yan ho ang isang bagay na wala sila. Marahil marami din silang pera, pero walang nagmamahal sa kanilang katulad ninyo.
Yes!
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Bilib talaga ako sa mga Pilipino dito. Ang init, napaka-init ngayon.
Para po susugan ang sinabi ni Maharlika, we, the Filipino people, who deeply respect and support our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, we humbly appeal for his immediate release and safe return to the Philippines. President Duterte dedicated his life to the service of the nation, leading the unwavering commitment to peace, progress, and protection of the Filipino people. Under his leadership, our country witnessed significant improvements in public safety, governance, and the fight against crime and illegal drugs. His policies, though firm, were always rooted in his deep love for the Philippines and its people. We firmly believe in his innocence and recognize the lasting impact of his leadership on our nation. The overwhelming support he continues to receive from millions of Filipinos is a statement to the trust and gratitude we have for him. In the name of justice and fairness, we respectfully ask that he be granted the opportunity to return to the Philippines, to the country he selflessly served, to the people who continue to hold him in highest